Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Omega. Today, I will present an analysis of an academic article titled The Correlation Between Speaking and Writing Ability of Management Study Program Students. This article was written by Lia Kamilatun Nikmah, Agnes Melani, Retno Ayuning Tias, and Diah Kurniati from Universitas Muria Kudus, and was published in the Prominent Journal of English Studies in 2024. In this analysis, we will cover 7 key aspects: the title, abstract, keywords, purpose, research problem, previous studies, and references. Okay, next. Let's begin with the first two aspects, the title and abstract. The title of this article is The Correlation Between Speaking and Writing Ability of Management Study Program Students, which clearly tells us that this study focuses on the relationship between two productive language skills. Moving on the abstract, this study used a quantitative correlation design, where students were given procedure text-based speaking and writing tests. The data was then analyzed using Pearson's correlation coefficient through SPSS. The results revealed a medium positive correlation with R is 0.525 and significance value of 0.001, indicating that speaking and writing abilities are meaningfully related. Okay, next. Keyword and purpose. Now let's look at the keywords and the purpose of the study. The four main keywords are correlation, speaking ability, writing ability, and management study program, all of which directly reflect the focus of the research. The purpose of this study is to determine the correlation between speaking and writing ability among management study program students at Universitas Muria Kudus. Beyond that, the study aims to contribute to a deeper understanding of productive language skills, support integrated language teaching methodologies, and inform curriculum development in non-English education programs. Okay, next. Research problem. The next aspect is the research problem. Why this study was necessary? First, there is a clear research gap. No prior study has specifically examined the correlation between speaking and writing using procedure text among management study program students, a non-English education department. The second, from a participant standpoint, management students are future business leaders who need strong English proficiency. Yet research on their language ability profile has remained very limited. Third, understanding the relationship between productive skills is crucial from designing more effective and integrated language teaching methods, which is exactly what is the study addresses. Okay, next. Previous studies. To support their research, the authors reference several previous studies. Aki and Laros, 2021, found a strong positive correlation between speaking and writing in descriptive discourse in a Moroccan EFL context, where students perform better in speaking than writing. A follow-up study by Aki, Laros, Aithamo, and Handoko, 2023, also confirmed a correlation between argumentative speaking and writing among EFL students, further reinforcing the link between productive skills. Hadah et al. 2020, 2020 explored this relationship in an Indonesian senior high EFL classroom, supporting the integrated approach to language teaching. However, Rahman and Suryanto, 2022, found only a very weak a weak positive correlation between writing and speaking among fifth semester English education students, which shows that findings can vary depending on the context and population studied. Next slide. References. Finally, let's briefly look at the key references used in this article. Bhatti, 2002, 2020, provided the theoretical definition of speaking as oral message delivery and discussed the integration of speaking and writing skills. Hidayah et al. 2022 defined language skill and as the comparative Hidayah et al. 2023 defined language skill as the competencies to understand, create, and communicate in a target language, which form the conceptual foundation of this study. Kurniati and Ramadan 2021 highlighted that English is the dominant language on the internet and in professional settings, reinforcing the relevance of studying English proficiency in the management program. The remaining references, including Aki, Hada, Rahmat, and Anwas et al., have been discussed in the previous study selection. Okay, that concludes our article analysis. To summarize, this study confirmed that there is a medium positive correlation between speaking and writing ability, which has significant implications for how we approach intermediate language teaching. We hope this analysis has provided a clear and comprehensive overview of the article. Thank you very much for your attention. And the last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.